gas.
Teaching my brothers about investments, buying up shares, financial lessons. I made 100, all off a job, all off a stock, all legal methods. I ain't gotta steal no scat to get it. I got the bag and I got the image. I gave, I worship, I tithe, I serve, I prayed, I listen. Now my bag is given. I want the Rari, white, no ceilings. I'm next in line, I'm now, no skipping. I'm changing myself, my fam, my circle, my tribe, my culture, my world, my city. I'm changing myself, my fam, my circle, my tribe, my culture, my world, my city. Yeah.
What's going on, my kings and queens? I'm back with another one. Y'all see me working on the cutlass again. Today we're just gonna be unboxing. I might do a little installing, might do a little here or there, pulling off, you know, I don't know yet, but we'll see. Might see how I feel when I open this box up. But I don't want to talk y'all to death, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. I know it's probably a better way to open this. Oh, it actually tells me how to open it right here. I'm stupid. Yeah, let's do it like this anyway. This is more difficult than it looks. Step number 1 is done. I don't know what that is. I might need that later on down the road. Oh yeah, y'all see that, right? 750 race Brawler. Yeah. My bad if I sound a little funny, but that's how we talk down here. Brawler. It's not a brawler. Ooh, that thing pretty. That thing pretty. 750 Brawler carburetor. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she ready to go. She's ready. Put that in that box for me. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. She is pretty. I want to put it on now. I said I wasn't gonna do it. I said I wasn't gonna do it, y'all, but I think I might go ahead and then do it. She ready. Look at that. Look at that. She ready. Ooh, I'm ready. Oh yeah. She gonna put in some work, y'all. This thing gonna put in some work. Man. I say let's do it. I say let's do it. Let me show y'all what else come in the box just in case somebody else buying one of these. I know a carburetor is a dying thing, as they say, but if carburetors was dead, they wouldn't still be so hot. People still buying carburetors. People like me. I'm the one still buying them. So let me show y'all what all came in the box. It came with all the hardware that you need, everything to get this thing seated nicely, and your gaskets and all that stuff. It's ready to go. It does not come with bolts or studs or the nuts to tighten it down. Right here, you know, you got 4 of them. It doesn't come with that, but if you already have a carb on your car like I do on this one, then it's fine. Honestly, I could put this one back on the Nova and then just stick this one on here, because this is the one that's gonna be on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Alright, so y'all see right now, this is the one I got on here, the old Elder. This the one came off the Nova. Y'all know I got the 78 Nova. If you don't know, then go check that out. I got several videos of that Nova on the channel. This is 78 Nova with a 350. This is 350 as well in here. But we're gonna take this one and put it back on the Nova, and we're gonna put that new Brawler on here, since the Brawler is what's gonna be going on here. We're gonna put the Brawler on here, and yeah, we're gonna leave that on here. Leave the Brawler on here, because this thing will be starting up soon. So we just gonna go ahead and put that Brawler on here and we can call it a day. But I was gonna leave it on here for starting up purposes, but since I know it worked, I pulled it straight off the Nova the way it sit. But we'll just put that Brawler on here. This is the one that's gonna go on here, and just in case I want to start the Nova up, I'll just put this one back on the Nova. We'll be able to start it up. But let's get that Brawler on here though. Alright, y'all, I had that look on there. Fit nicely. I'm missing a couple accessories. Well, I say accessories, but I'm missing a few things to make this thing go. But they in the cart on Amazon, so I'm gonna order them soon. But for now, I mean, it's on. It fits. I knew the fitment was gonna be right anyway. I just wanted to get it on there and have it ready for startup and get ready for, you know, the next couple of things I need for it. You know, I need that bracket on the other side. I'll walk around and show y'all that. I need that bracket on this side for the these two right here, for the accelerator, for the pedal. And that should be about it. Shouldn't be too much left to it. And as far as getting the car started, y'all know I got to put that lock cylinder in there, and I got to get these headers on. You see they not on clearly, so we'll get that on. It's also a bolt stuck in the passenger side in the back. We got to get it extracted over there. Get that bolt extracted, get the new headers on, and then get the new starter on, and we should be good. The fuel pump is on. I mean, it ain't on yet. I didn't put it on because I didn't know if it's gonna have to pick this motor back up, so I wanted to pull the bolt out the motor mounts. But I didn't want to put it on and have to do that. So that's where we at with that. We ain't gonna put that fuel pump on yet. Brand new radiator. We just picked this up the other day. We didn't want to pump that dirty stuff from that old radiator through there. It was all rusted out and corroded on the inside. It was just nasty. Didn't want to do that. So that's where we at with this. We're gonna leave this sitting like this for now. And like I said, the installation for this was just them 4 bolts. And make sure y'all stay tuned in to see this video. See this car start up and follow the build, and stay in tune with the channel. Did you see any fuel going through that sight glass?
I can't see from here.
I bet. Thought I had some starter fluid.
You're gonna have to prime it.
I see fuel. Trying to keep it from starting up and idling so damn high. Can't get this damn plate to move though. Telling me to stop? Okay, let's try it again. It's fuel going through there. I see it. There's plenty of fuel in that bitch. I think the carburetor not spraying that shit. Look. Oh, yes it is. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna start up now. How loud was that?
brothers about investments, buying up shares, financial lessons. I made 100, all off a job, all off a stock, all legal methods. I ain't gotta steal no scat to get it. I got the bag and I got the image. I gave, I worship, I tithe, I serve, I prayed, I listen. Now my bag is given. I want the Rari, white, no ceilings. I'm next in line, I'm now, no skipping. I'm changing myself, my fam, my circle, my tribe, my culture, my world, my city.